Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pinto bean soup, step by step. First, let's get those beans ready. Rinsing them well removes any debris. Soaking is crucial for even cooking and reducing cook time. If you're short on time, the quick soak method works perfectly. This initial step ensures your beans are tender and flavorful, forming the perfect base for your soup. Now, let's build that incredible flavor foundation. Dicing your aromatics uniformly ensures they cook evenly. Sautéing them gently in olive oil brings out their natural sweetness and creates a wonderful aroma. Adding the garlic last prevents it from burning, ensuring its pungent flavor shines through. This step is key to a rich, savory soup.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these cooking tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. After all that delicious cooking, you'll want a clean kitchen. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is amazing for keeping floors spotless, even tackling pet hair. It's voice-controlled and self-emptying. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With our aromatics ready, it's time to combine everything and let the magic happen. Draining and rinsing the beans again ensures a clean flavor. Adding the broth and bay leaf infuses the beans with depth as they cook. Patience is key here. Simmering slowly allows the beans to become wonderfully tender, absorbing all those delicious flavors. Almost there. Now for the final touches that elevate your soup. Mashing some beans creates a creamy, hearty texture without needing extra thickeners. Cumin and chili powder add that classic, warm, earthy flavor profile we love in pinto bean soup. Adjusting salt ensures perfect seasoning. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro brightens everything up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.